Back again in creative visual mindset. Lots of design references here that we will present in terms of interior design to exterior design. And for sure, unique and still maintain its aesthetics, guys. Okay, enjoy, guys! This time we're gonna be discussing Japanese, guys. Let's go to the first design. This is the first interior design. Interior design. You can see what's striking. Here are the plants that make it very fresh. He saw Japandi design combined with natural. It can be an inspiration. Design your house, guys. The lighting here is very enough ones because the really big windows and materials used made from wood, you guys. You guys can see. And the plants are perfect. Perfect anyway, guys. Okay, let's move on to the second design, guys. I hope I can inspire you guys in building a house. This is the second interior design, guys. Interior design Japandi. But you see, guys, here there is a unique, which is the plant on top that travels down, guys. Even if you wear fake plants. But this looks so natural, you guys. On the wall is the same, guys. There are plants. Wow, so cool, this Japandi X Nature, guys. I hope it can be an inspiration for your home, guys. Go to the third design. This is the third interior design, guys. Japanese interior design. Looks so homey, guys. Chairs and tables are very spacious, guys, and combined with unique plants. It really blends with nature, guys. You can see, guys, the plants that are here. It really went in, guys. And this is a live plant, guys, not a fake plant. And this is no plant that can be a spotlight when we just entered the room, guys. In this simple room, but it seems so fun when gathering. Here, guys. Okay, so first, guys, what else can we discuss next, guys? Thank you for watching until the end. I hope this design reference can help you. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel as a form of gratitude. And please request design in the comments what we're going to discuss next. Thank you, guys. Bye-bye.